Hitachi EX120-3. Right, no problem. There is the Hitachi EX120-3. Okay, no problem. There is the excavator from Nasipit. Right, no problem. There. Number 81 Corporation. Adfield Corporation. Okay. EX120-3. Alright, no problem. There is the EX120-3. Alright, no problem. There is the good time. Okay, no choices. Okay, no problem. There is the good time. Hala. Is the EX120. Right, no problem. There is the good time. Good day. Alright, no problem there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.